Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up a Mailchimp campaign. Campaign in Mailchimp is very easy to set up, since it only takes few clicks and few steps to do it. First, once you open your account, you will find campaigns right on the left. Here, after clicking on it, you need to create one. So let's start by creating one. Now, there are several type of campaigns. You have to have an idea about which type of campaign you would like to start. First, there is email campaign, there is automation, and there is landing pages. For me, I'm gonna start with a regular email. So let's design an email, and there we go. So this is an email campaign. What it means that this campaign will be saved for me whenever I want to launch it again. It will be had have been saved automatically in my campaigns list. So how can I find it and how can I set up it first? So here we have this email that I have chosen. So first I'm going to choose to whom I want to send this email. I have to import contacts, which we've made a video about it. You can check it out later on. And here from which email I would like to send it, the subject of my email, the send time, and the contents. Now, once everything is actually made and correctly done, you click here and send. Once you send it, this email will be sent and everything will be working well. And at the same time, if you went back here into the campaigns list, you'll find every single campaign that you have made in this list. You can remove some by clicking here and clicking on delete, as you can see, and you will find every single campaign that you have selected, and you can click on delete to confirm the removal of these campaigns. This is the latest one that I have created. For example, I'm gonna keep it, or I can edit it and come back to it later on with more modifications, so I can work on it later on with this. Like I can make it as a template and then modify a couple of things on it. And yeah, this is how you can set up a campaign. See you guys in the next video.